Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house Zuckerbucker-ologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another edition of Touch on Tech, where we cover the latest in emerging technologies. I'm making it rain, I think. So you tired of using regular old dollars? Well, Facebook is coming out with their new project Libre, and it's a cryptocurrency that's going to change the world. So why a new currency, and why on Facebook? One of the cool things you could do with it is you could do all types of tiny little microtransactions that normally just aren't feasible with credit cards. But with these Zuckerbuckers, it's pretty much free to use them.
I'm the meat chef. Do I smoke meat?
You just got Zuckerbucked. And just when you thought sleep was your only escape from technology, in comes Pokemon Sleep, guaranteed to revolutionize everything about sleep. So Pokemon Sleep is a wearable that gives you rewards for sleeping well. You basically get rewarded for doing nothing. You can imagine gamifying other parts of your life. Maybe there's a wearable for your yoga, and every time you do a downward dog for, say, I don't know, 10 minutes or more, you get a free Smoothie King. Bing, bing. That's 2 smoothies. I can't hold this anymore. Did your parents always tell you that money doesn't grow on trees? Well, now it does. A Twitter user named Afri has created a way to actually mine cryptocurrency from a plant. So plants create sugar from photosynthesis, and then they do some stuff that sends something down into the roots, and then the biome and the microbes do some stuff in the soil, and that actually creates an electrical current, which he's tapping into to run a miner. So it actually generates money from the electricity that the plant creates. So the logical next step is to just put a bunch of plants in your truck bed and hook them up to your electric truck, and then you can just drive around on plant fuel forever. Plant truck. Looking at you, Elon Musk. I winked at him. So if you remember from a few episodes ago, we talked about the Amazon blimp that unleashed a fleet of drones to deliver tons of Amazon Prime items across a city in a matter of seconds. Well, pop open your Amazon Prime app, say, hey, Alexa, can you give me some toothpaste? Boom, off goes the drone. Shows up at your house in like 2 seconds. This is the future, people. So AI is showing up in even more places, right? Obviously it is. Of course it is. It's showing up everywhere. Now we've got AI generating fake marketing blogs. So this entire blog of marketing tips is written by an AI. So using this type of an AI, you can generate pretty much any type of text information you want forever. It'll write anything you want. It could write your press release for you if you want. It could write your next commercial. It can even write birthday cards. MasterCard has recently released a new skill for the Google Home and Alexa that allows you to go on priceless adventures simply by asking for a priceless adventure. They've also rolled out an audio version of their logo. That's the MasterCard logo. Audio is becoming a pretty important thing, so having an audio logo just makes sense. It's a great way to brand any audio experience. So if you need an audio branding logo for yourself or your business, just call one of our happy to help marketing professionals here at Red Pepper at 111-1111, area code 615. Well, that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us. And we hope to see you next time. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll know when there's a next time. And then we'll see you next time on another edition of Touch on Tech. Is that it?